Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2023 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro. Obviously, TRD Pro comes with BBS forged wheels. This thing looks absolutely awesome. Awesome Toyota badge up front. Looks so good. Obviously, TRD light bar, got everything you need with these LED headlights, fog lights. This thing is sick. Magnetic black over black interior. Looks so good. Right, do have the window sticker here. iForce Max twin turbo V6 hybrid, 437 horsepower, 583 pound-feet of torque, 10-speed auto, magnetic gray metallic over black. Absolutely awesome. And there, perfect. Go ahead. Move it into sport. Do have backup camera with all kinds of different cameras. You have your trail cameras, absolutely everything that you would ever need. Heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel. Being the iForce Max, this thing has a ton of torque. A lot of people were upset about the change to a twin turbo 6 instead of the V8 that's powered the Sequoia in years past. I'm a fan of it. I absolutely love it, and it sounds just like a V8. Definitely some piped in audio, or engine noise I should say. You can tell it sounds so good. I do love the new infotainment screen. I love the interior. It does feel tough and rugged. Even at the price point, you know, these are $80,000 trucks. That's absolutely amazing to me. But the capability, the capabilities this thing has is just outstanding, both on-road and off-road. We have some big, beefy off-road tires on this thing, and yet it still drives very calm and collected. Now, with being a TRD Pro, it's obviously less focused on luxury, more focused on off-road ability. I do want to try a capstone, and just to see, or at least sit in a capstone and see how nice that new interior really looks with some high quality materials in there. I love that new transmission too. This transmission's phenomenal. And it's made it so well with this hybrid system that you don't really feel the shifts. This hybrid system really kind of works as a torque fill more than, you know, just being there for economy. And I think that's what I love most about it. Overall, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.